Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about one of the very interesting planet in solar system. The planet name is Venus. Venus play a biggest role, especially in Kali Yuga, because Daitya Guru Shukracharya, if well placed in your birth chart, you will enjoy a lot of materialistic comforts. You will enjoy a lot of finance. You will enjoy a lot of happily marriage life. Your spouse will always support you, and there's a strong chances you will be in a very positive. You will enjoy a lot of positive events after your marriage. If Daitya Guru Shukracharya well placed in your birth chart, in your D1 and D9. Venus play a big role because Venus is a materialistic things on this world, like your luxury, your car, your home, your branded clothes, your perfumes, and your money spending capacity. This is Venus. I saw a lot of people. They may earn $2,000 in month, but they are always ready to spend more than that because they want to live a life with full of enjoyment. That is Venus, because Venus is exalted in those native birth chart. So if you have a good Venus, if you have a strong Venus in your birth chart, you become very fortunate in the terms of materialistic enjoyments, pleasures, sexual desires, sexual life, love life, marital life, spouse, husband, wife, life partner, everything you will get easily if you have a strong Venus. And especially those native who have a Taurus ascendants, Libra ascendants, Capricorn ascendants, Aquarius ascendants, Virgo ascendants, Gemini ascendants. If these ascendants native have a strong Venus in birth chart in well houses in D1 and D9, believe me, you will be top and sky high in your life. Your old desires will be fulfilled. And if you have a Venus 20-year Mahadasha active for these ascendants like Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, and Capricorn, Aquarius, if you have 20 years Venus Mahadasha active in your birth chart and Venus is exalted in your Lagan Kundali or in your Navash, as a Venus is well placed, exalted or on sign, believe me, you will sky high, you will rock, and you will enjoy all type of materialistic gains. Those native who have exalted Venus in birth chart, they may involve in extramarital affairs before marriage and after marriage. They may get involved in other women's, because Venus is a planet of the enjoyment. Venus is a planet of the pleasure. Venus is a planet of the you can say all around bhotik comforts, all around physically comforts. Venus is also linked with your body needs. Venus is also linked with your you can say personality. If you have a strong Venus, you have a wonderful personality. If you have a strong Venus, you may get people get attracted easily from your side. If you have a strong Venus, opposite gender can get easily attract from your side because you have a strong Venus. And if you have a well Venus in D1 and D9, believe me, your marriage life will be sky high. You will enjoy all comforts and you will rise a lot after your marriage. Your spouse will always support you and your relationship with your spouse will be ultimate, because Venus play a big role on Kali Yuga. Daitya Guru Shukracharya, one of the biggest planet related to materialistic comforts, materialistic gains, luxury, entertainment. Those native who are willing to join Bollywood or Hollywood, or those native who are willing to join TV, they want to become a TV artist. If you have a strong Venus in your birth chart, you will earn a lot of money from cinema, you will earn a lot of money from entertainment industry, because Venus represent all these things. Venus represent your materialistic comforts. I'm telling you again and again. Those native who have a strong Venus, exalted Venus in Pisces sign, they know how to live, enjoy life. They know how to entertain life. My tagline is, for Venus exalted, Zindagi na milegi dobara. Those native who have a Venus exalted in birth chart, especially in D1 and D9, and especially for Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, and Capricorn and Aquarius ascendants, they have a Venus exalted. They know very well how to live happy life with full of pleasure, full of enjoyment, full of entertainment, and they will enjoy single minute of our life, every single minute they will enjoy our life, because they know what is the meaning of life. Venus is a planet, is all about of beauty. Beauty speaks something, it is Venus. So if you have a strong Venus in your birth chart, if you have a you can say a solid Venus, and Venus don't have any conjunction with Sun, Moon, or Rahu Ketu, you will definitely rock in your life. Lot of savings you will have, you will earn a lot of money, you will success in small age, and after 25th year of your life you will rise a lot, because 25th 26th year is the age of Venus. So Venus is a planet of all around success in materialistic worlds, and especially Venus is a planet of beauty, which represent beauty and attraction. If you have a strong Venus, exalted Venus, or on sign Venus in good house, people get attracted easily from your side. If you are a salesman, and if you are dealing in any type of marketing work, and you have a strong Venus, people may get attract from your side, and they buy your product very easily because you have a strong Venus. If you are in banking sector, if you are any type of broker of the LIC policies, and you are trying to sell your policies, plans, and people are easily buy your plans because you have a great ability to impress someone, because your Venus is strong. If you have boutique, if you have any type of showroom related to dress material, or related to ladies jewelry or gold, if you have a strong Venus, your business will be flourish a lot. You will earn a lot of money, you will earn a lot of name, fame in your professional life, because Venus is a planet of materialistic gains. Venus is a planet of pleasure, happiness, beauty. And if you have a strong Venus, you have a great personality. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.